Tui manufactures, distributes and markets garden, pet and home products for the retail market. We're very strong in understanding consumers, but we're also very strong in developing new products, developing people. I think values in everybody's life is really important, from your kids to your family, and I believe that Tui, we are a family. The values we've got have actually always been there, but what we're actually officially doing is putting it in writing. And the main reason for doing that is we're getting bigger as a company and we're loving the growth, and we're going to continue to grow in this competitive environment.
For me, I guess passion's all about enjoying the job that you do and on a daily basis. So I've been with Tui for over 25 years now, but I'm not alone. There is a huge amount of staff employees that have been here for a long time, which is fantastic. But I don't think that comes without being passionate about what you do, about the people you work with and the products and services that you put out to the trade. I can see examples every day of that out in the company, and ultimately that makes for a lot more enjoyable workplace and a better company.
New Zealand's made up of a diverse group of people and cultures, and I think that's reflected here at Tui. It's part of what makes New Zealand unique, and I think that's part of what makes the company special. I just feel very lucky to be able to live and work in such a beautiful part of the world.
At Tui, we love to encourage others to grow their own and discover the joy of gardening. It's at the heart of what we do. People share their homegrown success stories through our social media channels, our Facebook and our Instagram pages. We get a lot of photos and videos, whether it's the first flower on their strawberries, lemons they've picked from their tree, or carrots they've grown for the first time with their grandparents. It always brings a smile knowing that we've helped inspire them in the garden.
I do see Tui as an innovative company. I think courage to change is important. In the seed room, we're continuously trying to improve. Even if you improve on something, you can always improve again and again and again.
Teamwork's really important in my role. With logistics in the warehouse, there's lots of elements combined, and it's not something you can particularly do on your own. You have to have others around you, and those others work as a team together to get the job done. We're not only a team because we work together, we're a team because we trust, respect and get along with each other.
We're very proud that we've assisted many New Zealanders grow fantastic gardens throughout New Zealand, both for food and for looks. We're really proud that we've employed hundreds of people over the years, and when all said and done, they're our asset and very important to our success.